students, in the previous lecture I have solved first two sums. The remaining sums I am trying to solve in this video. Yes, okay. Radius of a circle is 34 centimeters. So let's draw a circle. Radius कैसा भी कर सकता है, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. And सेंटर पर नाम हम लोग C देता है, अभी O दे देंगे. This is 34. And the distance of the chord from the center is 30 centimeters. Distance of the chord from the center is 30 centimeters. There is a chord here. Chord का भी नाम दे देंगे. AB is the chord. Distance of the chord is 30 centimeters. Distance of the chord is 30 centimeters. Right. Distance is always perpendicular distance. It is 30 centimeters. Now, definitely perpendicular distance मतलब एक chord को measure करता है. This is radius. ये chord है. अगर chord AB is कितना है? Chord AB is 34. Therefore, this will be 17. This will be 17. Now, radius is 34. Whether you draw it here or here, radius is 34. Right. अभी हमको क्या चाहिए? Length of the chord चाहिए. Length of the chord चाहिए. सिर्फ क्या दिया है वो? Radius of the circle is 34. Yes, radius is 34. बराबर. And the distance of the chord from the center is 30. This is 30. अच्छा, ये कुछ दिया नहीं. हमको ये ढूंढना है AB. AB equal to what? हमारे माइंड में ये नहीं लिखेगा तभी चलेगा. Radius 34 लिखा है. तो हमारे माइंड में चाहिए अपने को. इसको एक नाम दे देंगे M. We find out AM. If I find out AM, twice AM equal to AB. That is the length of the chord. So, AM equal to what? Right? In radius of the circle is 34 and the distance of the chord is 30. So, in triangle AOM, AM square plus OM square is equal to OA square. Pythagoras theorem. AM square हमको मालूम नहीं तो ढूंढेंगे हम लोग. AM चाहिए. AM square is equal to AM square plus OM square. 30 square is equal to 34 square. Therefore, AM square is equal to 34 square minus 30 square. अच्छा, इसको हम लोग 34 स्क्वायर का ढूंढना है और 30 स्क्वायर ढूंढना है. 34 स्क्वायर ढूंढो. ये तो ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. A स्क्वायर माइनस B स्क्वायर बहुत बेटा. 34 plus 30 into 34 minus 30 equal to 34 plus 30 is 64 into 4. That is AM square. मिल गया 64 into 4. Therefore, AM equal to square root of 64 into 4. 64 का square root हमको मालूम है 8 and 4 का square root 2 है. Therefore, 16 आ गया. AM मिल गया अपने को 16. अभी double of that will be AB. Therefore, AB equal to 16 into 2 equal to 32. Units दिया था, सेंटीमीटर दिया है. सेंटीमीटर. So सेंटीमीटर दिया था सेंटीमीटर. यूनिट दिया था यूनिट. बस उतना ही. That's over. Now let's go to the second one. The radius of circle with center O is 41 units. So सीधा बनाएंगे हम लोग. Radius is 41. Length of the chord PQ is 80 units. This is 80. PQ is the chord. PQ is chord. That is 80. Fine. PQ दिया है. अभी O is the center. O is the center. They have given O. Radius is 41. This is 41. हमको चाहिए distance of the chord from the center. These are all very simple ones. M is the midpoint. This angle is 90 degrees. तो distance मिलेगा. Distance is always perpendicular distance. Same. Metaverse here. I will write here P. This will be 40 because 80 का आधा 40 होता है. हमको OM चाहिए. Distance of the chord from the center. See 40 square plus OM square. I am writing it shortly in the short form. 40 square plus OM square equal to 41 square. Therefore, OM square is equal to 41 square minus 40 square equal to 41 plus 40 into 41 minus 40. Okay, 41 plus 40 is equal to 81 into 41 minus 40 is 1. That is OM square. Therefore, OM is equal to square root of 81 equal to 9. सेंटीमीटर दिया है, सेंटीमीटर यूनिट्स दिया था, यूनिट्स हो गया दोनों से. Very simple, can be done by anybody. In the figure, center of two circles is O. Chord AB of the bigger circle intersects the smaller circle in points P and Q. So let us draw that circle, two circles. There are two circles. One circle like this and center is O. There is one more circle here. That circle I draw here. It's the same center. They are concentric circles. This is another circle. Center O for the two circles. Now here we have a chord. The chord AB of the bigger circle, AB. Chord AB of the bigger circle intersects the smaller circle in points P and Q. Yes, it means that P and Q. Yes. Show that AP equal to PQ. Both अच्छा sum है. In fact, for me all sums are good. Show that AP equal to BQ. हम लोग को प्रूव करना है AP equal to BQ. This is equal to this. प्रूव करना मस्त होना है एकदम. So we will make a construction. क्या construction करेंगे? Draw perpendicular from O to chord AB. Chord AB और chord PQ दोनों तो एक ही है. दोनों एक ही नहीं है. They are on the same line. Let this be M. So we will make a construction. Construction क्या है? इधर लिखता है construction. Construction. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. Draw AM, OM perpendicular. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. Here I write here. This is B. For larger circle, for the larger circle, OM perpendicular to AB. Construction. We have constructed OM perpendicular to AB. OM is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, AM congruent to MB. OM is perpendicular. This is the chord. Line drawn from the center, perpendicular to chord, bisects the chord. Therefore, AM equal to MB. This is one. For smaller circle, if you want you can write. ये actually ये sums में उतना detail में लिखना proof है ना, proof है तो लिखो. Chord bisector theorem. Chord bisector theorem. For smaller circle, similarly, PM congruent to PQ. Similarly, PM congruent to PQ. That is true. Again, chord bisector theorem. Same reason. 2. This is therefore PM congruent to MQ. PM congruent to MQ already लिखा है. ये लिखा PM congruent to MQ लिखा है. Now equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 में क्या है? AM minus equation 2 में PM equal to MB minus PQ. This minus this. Equation 1 minus equation 2. AM minus PM equal to MB minus PQ. What is AM minus PM? देखो इधर AM इतना है, AM minus PM equal to AP. AM minus PM equal to AP. What is MB minus MQ? MB minus PQ नहीं है. MB minus MQ. PM congruent to PQ. PM congruent to MQ होना चाहिए. इधर लिखा है PM congruent to MQ लिखना चाहिए था. ओके. इसलिए MB minus MQ. What is MB minus MQ? QB. क्या चाहिए अपने को? क्या प्रूव करना है? BQ. मैं वापस बोलता हूँ, एक अच्छा सम है, एकदम मजेदार सम है. देखो इधर O is the common center for both circles. AB is the chord for the larger circle. PQ is the chord for the smaller circle. We have drawn construction OM perpendicular to this chord. OM is not perpendicular. So, considering the larger circle, AB is the chord, OM perpendicular, so AM congruent to MB. AM congruent to MB. Chord bisector theorem. AM congruent to MB. Now, for the smaller circle, same thing. OM is the perpendicular, so PM congruent to MQ. PM congruent to MQ. When it wrong लिखा था, correct किया. PM congruent to MQ. This is statement number 2. Statement number 1 minus statement number 2. AM minus PM equal to MB minus MQ. MB minus MQ. What is AM minus PM? AP. AM minus PM is AP. And what is MB minus MQ equal to BQ. And that is true. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Here, prove that if the diameter of a circle bisects two chords of the circle, then those two chords are parallel to each other. That's again simple. We will draw a diameter. Diameter को कुछ नाम देंगे. PQ. Two chords are there. If the diameter of a circle bisects, this this is the sender, therefore PQ is the diameter. Bisect two chords on the circle, then those two chords are parallel. So we will draw two chords here. दो कॉर्ड दिया है, एक कॉर्ड इधर भी है, एक कॉर्ड इधर भी है. इसको नाम देते हैं AB, इसको CD. Now they have given that this is equal to this. Bisect किया है. They said in the diameter, this is the diameter. Diameter of circle bisects two chords. That means this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Suppose we put some name here, PQ, AB, CD, M and N. These are the 2 points. Now this is the sender. Sender के लिए O दे देंगे. Now this is bisector of this. This is the midpoint दिया है. Now this has to be 90 degrees. Line drawn from the sender, joining the sender to the midpoint is perpendicular. Converse of the midpoint theorem. If you draw a line from the sender to the midpoint of a chord, it will be perpendicular to chord. Similarly, this is also 90 degrees. Now, so you want me to write it, given etc., you can write it. We will write the whole thing if you want. I have told you, but still I will give you the given. दिया है AB and CD are two chords. Bisected by diameter PQ. Diameter PQ. These two chords are bisected by PQ. And bisected with to prove AB parallel to CD. हमको prove करना है AB parallel to CD. Right. Bisected हो गया भाई. M and N are the midpoints. That is also given to prove that AB parallel to CD. Now we write O is center of circle proof. O is center of circle. M is midpoint of AB. Therefore, angle OMB equal to 90 degrees. Converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of the midpoint theorem. If we join the center to the midpoint of the chord, it will be perpendicular. Okay. Similarly, angle OND equal to 90. This angle is also 90 because this is the midpoint. Therefore, angle OMB plus angle ONB equal to 90 plus 90 equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, MB or MB parallel to ND, that is AB parallel to CD. Okay, very simple. I hope you understood. These are additional problems from the chapter, based on the theorem. Additional problems. Choose the correct alternative. The radius of the circle is 5.2 centimeter. Then length, the longest chord is, diameter is the longest chord. देखो इधर ये chord है, ये छोटा बड़ा 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 रेडियस दिया है, कितना दिया है, रेडियस इज 5 and diameter is the largest chord, so diameter equal to twice radius equal to 2 into 5.2 equal to 10.4 is the answer. Answer is the आएगा, the longest chord is 10.4. ये answer 10.4. Or I will use another color for writing the answer. Second one, the radius of the circle is twice the diameter. Either twice the radius is twice the diameter, means half the diameter. Radius is half the diameter. Diameter is twice the radius. So radius of a circle is half the diameter, equal to half. HALF. Okay. उसके बाद if the length of the chord of a circle is 16 centimeter and at a distance of 15 centimeters, so a small circle we will make. If the length of the chord of a circle is 16 centimeters, here is 16 over here. This will be 8, and if the length of the chord of the circle is 16 and at a distance of 15 centimeters, this is 15 and this is 8, half of the chord 8, and हमको चाहिए radius of the circle. Then the radius of the circle हमको ये चाहिए. So we know O, A, B, M. 8 square plus 15 square is equal to OA square, Pythagoras theorem. 64 plus 225 equal to OA square. 15 square is 225. This will become 64 plus 825. कितना आएगा? 289. 289 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना है? 289 का स्क्वायर रूट आएगा 17. 17 स्क्वायर is 289. I believe 17 into 17. Yes. 289 का स्क्वायर रूट आएगा 17. So this is the correct answer. So that we can look 17 is the correct answer. So we go to this one now. Question number 4. The radius of the circle is 6 and the perpendicular distance of the center of the circle to the chord is 8 centimeters. The radius of the circle is 6 centimeters. Chord बनाएंगे, radius बनाएंगे 6 and the radius of the circle is 6 centimeters. Perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the chord which is 8 centimeters. Chord का length है 8 centimeters. ये perpendicular distance. We are to get what? The radius of the is 6 centimeters here. From the center of the circle to the chord which is 8 centimeters length. So this is 4. So अपने को चाहिए the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the chord. ये distance चाहिए O, A, B, M. Distance. OM equal to what? Question mark. So OM square plus 4 square equal to 6 square. Pythagoras theorem. OM square plus 4 square equal to 6 square. Therefore OM square is equal to 6 square minus 4 square to 36 minus 16 equal to 20. Therefore OM is equal to root 20 equal to root of 4 into 5. So 2 root 5 is the answer. 2 root 5 answer है. किधर है उधर? Yes, that है answer. Therefore this is the answer. 2 root 5 is the answer. That is the distance to root 5. ये पूछा हम लोग, we got this distance equal to 2 root 5. वो भी हो गया. अभी इसके बाद in a circle, if two chords are equidistant from then these two chords are chords are there? One chord here and another chord here. उसका distance same होएगा, then the chords are congruent. This is the theorem which is coming very soon. So theorem says that if the distances are equal, then the chords are congruent. Therefore, this is congruent. Answer is C. Congruent. Okay, we'll stop here. In the next lecture, we'll give more theorems. Okay, you can show your liking of this lecture and also subscribe, please.